Well, it's a bird thing. Wasn't we the underdogs? Didn't the media brag about Super Bowl 40 menu? We had Seahawk. So I got me some Seahawk ribs with Velvet's famous sauce. This is the bomb, y'all. I'm going to put a patent on it. And I got me some barbecue Seahawk wings. I grilled their asses today. Doing a side order of some Velvet's famous macaroni and cheese and some greens over here. Velvet gonna get down. Tender as it can be. Velvet gonna get a piece of meat going on. Y'all wanna come to dinner? I got plenty. Seahawks, you can't say we cheated this time. We just spanked that ass fair and square. What make it so bad? It was our secondary team. Y'all have a beautiful Sunday.